Hey guys, Deronda here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hard steamed eggs. It always makes perfectly cooked eggs. I'm starting with a medium saucepan over high heat. I'm going to add 1 inch of water here into the bottom of the pan. The goal is to not let your steamer hit the water. No water coming up through the steamer. So we're good to go, and we're going to wait for the water to come to a roaring boil. Now that the water has come to a hard boil, we're going to add the steamer right here into the bottom. Add our eggs. I'm going to hard cook 4 eggs. There's my 4 eggs. Make sure they're not touching. Add a tight fitting lid. Turn down your heat to medium-low. Use your timer to cook for 13 minutes. No peeking. About 30 seconds before your time's up on your hard steamed eggs, I'm going to add 2 cups of ice into a bowl along with 2 cups of water. And there's my timer going off. So I'm going to turn off the timer and remove the top to our eggs. Let that steam escape a little bit. And then we're going to transport our eggs over here into the ice. We're going to kind of shock them to stop the cooking process. And then we're going to let them sit here in their ice bath for 15 minutes. So use your timer. Once the time's up on your eggs, another way you can tell is if all the ice is melted. We're just going to lie them over here on a towel and let them drain for a little bit. Let's see what we've got on the inside. The great thing about creating hard steamed eggs versus hard boiled eggs is you're going to be able to get the peel of the egg off every time. So I just cracked mine here on the board. A lot of people like doing this under cool running tap water, and you may, but you should never have a problem getting the shell off your hard cooked eggs if you steam them. Look at that. And these are very fresh eggs. And you see how that shell just peels right off. And look how beautiful that skin is. Now you can rinse this underwater so you won't get any eggshells on it. Start with another egg. And I roll it just to loosen up that shell from the egg. And find a starting spot, and that shell will just peel off. Hard steamed eggs versus hard boiled eggs is when you hard steam your eggs, you're never going to have a problem with the shell sticking to your egg, whether your egg's fresh or not. You see how it just peels off? That is the result of a hard cooked egg when it's steamed. Perfect. I'm just removing the shell from my last hard steamed egg. And how beautiful is that? Absolutely perfect. I'm amazed. Woohoo! Clean up the shells using a paper towel. Let's see what these look like on the inside. You can't get better than that. This is Deronda with Foods 101. Hope you start steaming your hard cooked eggs. You're going to be able to peel them perfectly every time, and look how beautiful they are on the inside. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.